Greetings, viewers. In today's video, we've carefully curated the top 6 products essential for your business operations. Please refer to the description below. Aqara Smart Lock U100. If you want a smart lock that offers multiple ways to unlock, including a high-precision fingerprint reader, the Aqara Smart Lock U100 may be what you need. It's also fully integrated into Apple Home and supports third-party ecosystems like Google Home, Alexa, and IFTTT. We were impressed with how easy it was to install. The instructions were clear, and it fit perfectly on our door. The high-precision fingerprint reader worked flawlessly, and we appreciated the option to remotely configure passwords via the Aqara Home app, which made it easy to integrate it into our existing smart home setup. We were able to create automation that allowed us to unlock the door. Eufy Security C210. The touchscreen keypad is user-friendly and allows for quick entry and exit, making it a great choice for those who frequently have guests or family members. Additionally, the smart lock doesn't require a bridge or hub, making it a great choice for those who want to avoid the hassle of setting up additional devices, which could be an issue for those who frequently enter and exit their home during sunny days. Finally, the smart lock doesn't have a built-in camera for added security, which could be a concern for some. Overall, the eufy Security C210 Wi-Fi smart lock is a great choice for those who want a smart lock that's easy to install and use. With its user-friendly touchscreen keypad, easy installation process, and convenient control through the UFI Security app, it's a great choice for those who want to upgrade their home security without the hassle of complicated setups. Yale knows how to make a great lock, and the Assure Lock 2 proves it. Available in a wide variety of formats, there are plenty of ways to customize this unique device. One of the best formats includes a module that lets you access the door remotely and gives you peace of mind that you locked up before leaving for your work. You can also create temporary passwords for guests, check out the activity history to see when it was last opened, or remotely open the doors for a friend who is locked out. But most importantly, it looks stunning with premium materials and slim designs, offering a decidedly modern aesthetic. It's also one of the few smart locks with an flash red variants, as the Yale X Pantone models in Viva Magenta bring a maximalist flair to your front door. If you are an Apple user, you can spring for Assure Lock 2 Plus, which offers Apple Home key support. This allows you to use either/or iPhone or Apple Watch to open the doors without needing to enter your passcode. It costs a bit more, but no doubt it's a cool feature. Schlage FE789WB. The Schlage secure encrypted connections, built-in, customizable alarm for door movements and forced entry attempts. Fingerprint-resistant touchscreen, certified with the highest residential security, durability, and finish ratings by BHMA industry experts. Lock and unlock from anywhere. Manage up to 100 access codes, view lock history, receive customizable notifications, and easily manage multiple locks at once, all when paired to the Schlage Home apps and connected to a secure Wi-Fi network. With the built-in Wi-Fi compatibility, you can easily and securely Bosma, the Bosma wireless. Bluetooth fingerprint keypad is an essential companion to the Bosma Aegis Smart Door Lock, offering convenient and secure access to your home or office. This keypad unlocks your door through advanced fingerprint recognition technology, providing seamless entry for up to 99 unique fingerprints. For added security, the device also supports passcode unlocking, which can be personalized for different users or temporary guests. With the Bosma app, users can manage access remotely and receive real-time notifications of doctor activity. The keypad is IP65 weatherproof rated, ensuring reliable performance in various environments. Installation is simple, with no drilling required, and the battery life is long-lasting, providing peace of mind for continuous use. Igloohome. It has been demonstrated to endure the harshest of environmental conditions, boasting an operational temperature range of perfectly suited for outdoor use. It is resilient against rain, snow, or sun. The shackle is impervious to rust, and the lock body is resistant to corrosion. From wherever you may be, you can dispatch PIN codes and Bluetooth keys using the Igloohome app. This feat is made possible through our exclusive AlgoPin technology, which ensures secure encryption and synchronization. With the bridge, you gain access to remote control and real-time notifications. The rechargeable Li-ion battery provides up to 9 months of life with just 1 hour of Type-C charging, allowing for up to 8,000 unlocks on a single full charge. Should the need arise, the Type-C emergency power feature permits recharging via a power bank, laptop, or tablet.